In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Microsoft's Outlook. So what you'll have to do first is simply go and open a browser, whatever you want, and go and type download Outlook. So just go and make sure you enter in a Microsoft link and click on that. Then go here and click on download the app. Once you click on download the app, they'll tell you to open Microsoft Store. Sure, just go and click on it and it should be, or you should be taken here. All you need to do, just go and click on get. Make sure that you're logged in, of course, into a Microsoft Store or Microsoft accounts in your Microsoft Store. If you're not, you'll have to log in into it. It should be very easy. And once you click on get, you'll have to wait for it until downloaded. Once it is downloaded, as you can see, you'll be able to open it and start to use it without any problems. As simple as that. So just wait for installation. I can just go now and click on open. And here we are. It is downloaded for our PC and I'll be able to log in into my Outlook account. So, and I should not have any problem. So I can sync it even to my Gmail and stuff. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.